Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide an icon in Google Maps. Whether you're customizing a map using the Google Maps JavaScript API or want to remove unwanted marker, hiding icons like custom pins or default points can improve visual clarity, especially for empty maps, custom applications or presentations. Now the first option is to hide markers using Google Maps JavaScript API. Now if you're using the API to display a map with markers, set visibility to false in markers option. By writing this code right here, I'm gonna this code right here, copy it and paste it, or ask ChatGPT to generate it for you, or you can look for it and copy it. Or you can use the dot set map null to remove from the map. This one right here. We can also show it again later by this code right here, the marker dot set map. We add set. And the second option is to hide POI icons like restaurants or stores. Use map style settings to hide default points of interest. For example, this code right here, you can pause the video and copy it or generate it in ChatGPT or an AI. This removes all built-in POI icons like shops, schools, etc. And that's it for today's tutorial. Hiding icons or markers in Google Maps is useful for creating minimalist design, focus-driven apps, or customized map experiences. With a few lines of code, you can completely control what's visible. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you hide an icon in Google Maps. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.